how to state domain and range based on the given set of ordered pairs. And also we can tell whether it's function or not function. Let's start with number 1 right here. So because you are just given a point, it's not a line, it's not a curve, we don't know whether they connected or not. So therefore, domain is other input, and input is x values. So we have all the x value will become domain. And because this is not the interval, therefore we use pointing bracket. And range is the output, and output is all the y values. And same thing because we listed out, so we just use pointed bracket. Now we move on. How do we know it's function or not? So I will use mapping method to state whether it's a function or not. So for all the x values, I just listed out. So I have 2 column x and y. So all my x value will be 4, 3, -2, 7, and 8. Now all my y value will be -3, 7, 2, -8, and -5. So you don't list anything twice on your list. So now we try to map in them. 4 go to -3, 3 go to 7, -2 go to 2, 7 go to -8, and 8 go to -5. So we have all the input go to the output, and there is no one input go to 2 output. Therefore, this is a function. So is it a function? Yes. Okay, now we can try the second one. Do the same thing. Again, they just give you a point. Therefore, you just list all the value of x and all value of y. So all the value of x will become domain, and all values of y will become range. So value of x, -5, 4, 3, -2, -7. So -5, 4, 3, -2, -7, and we use pointing bracket. And all the y value 1, 4, 5, -1, -6 are range. And now you do the same thing, list all the value, do the map method to consider whether it's function or not. So x and y value, x is -5, 4, 3, -2, -7. Y is 1, 4, 5, -1, -6. So we have -5 and 1 together, 4 and 4, 3, 5, -2, -1, -7, -6. So in this case, we also don't have any x that go to 2 values of y. So yes, it's a function. Alright, let's look for a problem where it's not a function. So number 6. So again, we list all x value as domain. So 8, 9, 8, -1, 1. So 8, 9, we don't list 8 again since we already have 1, 8 here. And then -1, 1. Bracket. Pointing bracket, sorry. And then now For the y values, it becomes your range. Negative 7, 7, 1, 9, negative 9. Negative 7, 7, 1, 9, negative 9. Okay, now we have to consider whether it's a function or not. So on the side, I'll do it x and y. So for the x, I have 8. Oops. For the x, I have 8, 9, 8 again, but I already have 8 in here, so I don't need to rewrite 8. And then negative 1, 1. Now for the y value, I have negative 7, 7, 1, 9, negative 9. So now I will map all of them. 8 go to negative 7, 9 go to 7. And then I have 8 go to 1. And then I have negative 1 go to 9, 1 go to negative 9. So we see this right here. 8 go to negative 7 and also 8 go to 1. You can't not have one input goes to different outputs. Therefore, this one is not a function. So function or not? No, it's not a function. Okay, if you have any question, comment below. I'll try to answer your question. Hopefully this helps you understand how to stay domain and range when you give an order pairs, and also how to stay function or not.